Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you often open the same PDF files again and again, this quick tip will save your time. Let's see how. Let's see how to pin or make your favorite documents in Adobe Reader. Open the Adobe Reader app. Go to the Recent section to view your recently opened files. You will notice the star icon is hidden until you move your mouse over the file row. When you hover over it, the star turns gray. Just click the star icon to pin the document. To view all your favorite documents, go to the Start section from the left panel. All your pinned files will be listed there together. Super simple and really useful. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.